my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today I cooked squash and turnips from my garden and here's the video of how I made it. Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making turnip fries and summer squash. I peeled all of the turnips with this peeler and I'm going to be composting the scraps. I'm going to be using my Pampered Chef paring knife and cutting these into French fries and putting them in my Pampered Chef mixing bowl. Alright, now I'm going to put in some oil. I'm using canola oil. I would use my olive oil, but I just don't have enough. I'm using a little bit of salt, some thyme, and some garlic and herb by Pampered Chef. Just going to pour the salt.
That's enough.
Yeah. So just gonna put some garlic and herb. Put a lot.
Is that enough?
And we're gonna put a lot. Excuse me, dear.
Whoa, what are you making? Okay.
And I'm gonna mix it all up.
I like it.
So that each one is covered.
The bottom ones don't have any.
The bottom ones don't have any.
I told you.
Mixing it all up. Okay, now we're going to spread them out on the tray. This is a Pampered Chef bar pan. It is stoneware by Pampered Chef. Yep. And we are going to put it in the oven. The oven is preheated to 350.
350?
I'm gonna just sprinkle it with garlic salt for good measure so it tastes really good. There we go. We're gonna put it in there for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Alright, next I'm gonna slice my summer squash. Okay, similarly I'm going to put the canola oil and I'm gonna put garlic and herb and I'm gonna put garlic salt. I'm going to put thyme leaves.
Okay. No. Tie it by yourself. What color do you want? Okay, I do a big one.
Okay, now I'm going to put this in the oven. The French fries need more time, so I'm going to put another 15 minutes. There we go. I'm checking on them, and I put them for 10 more minutes. Got 2 minutes left. I'm going to turn it off. Pick it up. There we go. All right. I'm going to put it on the paper towel so it won't have as much oil. Alright, this is the stackable drying racks from Pampered Chef. I'm going to put another paper towel here and take these out. Okay, there we have them cooking. I didn't like how these are still soft and soggy and they're not brown at all, so I'm making them in the frying pan. All right, that's better. Okay, that's looking a lot yummier. Next I'm gonna do these and make them more like French fries, not just soggy, wet stuff. Those finally look good. These are gonna be good. Finally, they're smelling good. It's looking good. Much better. These are good French fries now. They're sizzling and smelling good and getting golden brown just like I like. So that my kids will actually eat it, right? That's the goal. Finally, it's looking and smelling right. I should have just made it on the stove to start with. Well, oh well, live and learn. Now I know how I want to make it. I didn't add any extra oil because these are just saturated with oil, so now I'm cooking off of that. Okay, I'm going to put this onto the paper towel again. Okay, I've been pressing this down because it's just too much oil. And it's too oily. Not cool. Okay, that's looking a lot better. Awesome. Because I don't want to give my kids just like super greasy food, you know? You don't want that. So getting the grease off is important so that it can be appetizing and actually healthy, not unhealthy, right? I don't want to turn vegetables in the garden into just unhealthy fried food, right? That looks good. Great, everything on my kids' dinner plates is actually from the garden. We have fresh carrots, we have fresh cherry tomatoes, and we have turnip French fries, and we have cooked squash. Thank you. Yummy. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.